Let me show you how to properly set up and use your 3-digit combination lock. So first, if you're wondering what is the default combination on these digits, then it's 000. So you see, also you have these indications at which you need to basically position those numbers at. So you see, if you set it at 00, that unlocks the lock and we can start using it. So if you want to set your own number, so a custom number, what you have to do is you simply have to position your lock like this in 90-degree angle. Also pay attention, as you see on the lock shackle, so you have this like tiny knob here. And also on the body of the lock, you also have like a tiny basically hole here. So what we need to do is we simply need to put that knob on the shackle inside that hole and push on the lock. So again, make sure you actually exert quite a bit of force so it actually goes inside. And then we can set our new code that you want. For example, let's set 223, for example. And once done, release, so it will pop out like this. And then we can lock it essentially. So see, and yeah, if you basically now scramble the numbers to something else, so you see the lock is locked. If you want to unlock it, so again, as you see, once we position the numbers back to the correct combination, the lock is unlocked. And that's easy as that. By the way, also, perhaps if you have forgotten the code of this lock, also on my channel I have another video on how to unlock this lock without even knowing these codes, essentially how to decode and also how to crack it. I'll leave a link to that video also in the description. Good luck!